Imagine a world where airplanes were single-use. A world where, after each flight, we discarded these magnificent machines. It seems unthinkable, doesn't it? Yet for decades, this was the reality of space travel. Rockets, those powerful vehicles that carried humanity's dreams beyond Earth, were built for a single, glorious, and ultimately destructive journey. But what if we could change that? What if we could build rockets capable of not just reaching space, but also returning to Earth, ready to fly again? This is the revolutionary vision that Elon Musk and SpaceX set out to achieve. And in doing so, they've ignited a new era of space exploration. Gone are the days of expendable rockets, sacrificed on the altar of progress. SpaceX's reusable rockets, like the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy, are rewriting the rules of space travel. They're transforming what was once considered science fiction into a stunning reality. This is the story of how SpaceX is making spaceflight more sustainable, affordable, and ultimately more accessible to all. This is the story of reusable rockets. At the heart of SpaceX's success lies a deep understanding of rocket science, coupled with a relentless drive for innovation. Their rockets, primarily the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy, are marvels of modern engineering designed with reusability at their core. These are not your grandfather's rockets, destined for a watery grave after a single launch. These are machines built for repeated journeys to the cosmos and back. The key to their reusability lies in a combination of cutting-edge technologies, all working in perfect harmony. First and foremost is the Merlin engine, SpaceX's workhorse rocket engine. These engines are not only powerful, capable of generating an incredible amount of thrust, but they're also designed for multiple uses. Imagine a car engine that could power your vehicle for hundreds of thousands of miles, and you start to get a sense of the engineering marvel that is the Merlin engine. Launching a rocket into space is only half the battle. The real challenge, the one that had eluded engineers for decades, was figuring out how to bring it back safely. This is where SpaceX truly shines, for they've managed to transform a controlled crash landing into an elegant ballet of engineering. The secret lies in a combination of sophisticated technologies, hypersonic grid fins, a powerful engine, and a suite of onboard computers that could put a Wall Street trading floor to shame. As the rocket descends through the atmosphere, these grid fins, resembling small wings, deploy and help steer the rocket like a giant supersonic dart. The engine, capable of throttling up and down with incredible precision, acts as a brake, slowing the rocket's descent. All the while, those onboard computers are crunching numbers at lightning speed, making thousands of calculations per second to ensure a pinpoint landing. The moment of truth arrives as the rocket approaches its landing site. For the Falcon 9, this could be either a drone ship stationed out at sea, whimsically named "Of Course I Still Love You" or "Just Read the Instructions," or back on solid ground at a designated landing zone. The final moments are nothing short of breathtaking. The rocket, having traveled from the vacuum of space, slams into the atmosphere, its speed slowly being scrubbed away by friction and the roar of its engine. Then, in a graceful maneuver that seems to defy physics, the rocket flips upright, its landing legs deploying just in time for touchdown. The sound of applause erupts in mission control as, once again, SpaceX proves that reusable rockets are not a dream, but a reality. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a moment that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. The journey doesn't end with a successful landing. Once a Falcon 9 touches down, a dedicated team of engineers and technicians springs into action, ready to assess the vehicle and prepare it for its next mission. This process is a crucial part of SpaceX's mission to make space travel more sustainable and cost-effective. The team works tirelessly, often around the clock, to ensure that every component of the rocket is in perfect condition for its next flight. This involves a series of detailed inspections and tests, each designed to identify any potential issues that could affect the rocket's performance. These rockets are built for reusability, but that doesn't mean they're immune to the stresses of spaceflight. The intense heat and pressure experienced during launch and re-entry can take a toll on even the most robust components. Once a Falcon 9 touches down, a dedicated team of engineers and technicians springs into action, ready to assess the vehicle and prepare it for its next mission. This involves a thorough examination of the rocket's exterior and interior, using advanced diagnostic tools to detect any signs of damage or wear. These rockets are built for reusability, but that doesn't mean they're immune to the stresses of spaceflight. Each component is meticulously inspected, looking for signs of wear and tear. Engineers use a variety of techniques to assess the condition of the rocket, including visual inspections, non-destructive testing, and even advanced imaging technologies. This allows them to identify any potential issues before they become serious problems, ensuring that the rocket is safe and ready for its next mission. Some parts, like the heat shield that protects the rocket during its fiery re-entry, might need to be replaced. The heat shield is a critical component, designed to withstand the extreme temperatures generated during re-entry. Over time, it can become worn or damaged, and must be replaced to ensure the rocket's safety. This process involves carefully removing the old heat shield and installing a new one, a task that requires precision and expertise. Others, like the Merlin engines, are designed for multiple uses and might only require routine maintenance. These engines are the workhorses of the Falcon 9, providing the thrust needed to lift the rocket into space. They are designed to be reused multiple times, but still require regular maintenance to ensure they are operating at peak performance. This involves checking for any signs of wear or damage, replacing any worn parts, and performing a series of tests to ensure the engines are ready for their next flight. It's a testament to SpaceX's engineering prowess that these rockets, having endured the rigors of spaceflight, can be refurbished and prepared for another launch in a matter of weeks. This rapid turnaround is made possible by the company's innovative approach to rocket design and maintenance. By designing rockets that can be easily refurbished and reused, SpaceX is able to dramatically reduce the cost of space travel, making it more accessible to a wider range of customers. This rapid reusability is a game changer, dramatically reducing the cost of accessing space. By reusing rockets, SpaceX is able to save millions of dollars on each launch, making space travel more affordable and sustainable. This has the potential to revolutionize the space industry, opening up new opportunities for exploration and development. With each successful launch and landing, SpaceX moves one step closer to its goal of making space travel as routine as air travel, paving the way for a new era of space exploration. The refurbishment process is a complex and meticulous one, involving a wide range of tasks and procedures. Engineers and technicians work together, using a variety of tools and equipment to inspect, repair, and replace components as needed. This collaborative effort is essential to ensuring the rocket is ready for its next mission. Each team member brings their own expertise and experience to the table, working together to solve problems and overcome challenges. Testing is a critical part of the refurbishment process. Engineers use a variety of diagnostic tools and equipment to conduct a series of tests on the rocket, checking everything from the engines to the avionics systems. These tests are designed to identify any potential issues and ensure that the rocket is operating at peak performance. The results of these tests are carefully analyzed, and any necessary repairs or adjustments are made before the rocket is cleared for its next flight. Once the refurbishment process is complete, the rocket is transported to the launch pad, where it undergoes final preparations for launch. This involves a series of checks and tests to ensure everything is in order, from the fuel systems to the guidance and control systems. The rocket is then secured to the launch pad, ready for its next mission. This final stage of preparation is a critical one, as it ensures the rocket is ready to perform at its best when it takes to the skies once again. The successful launch of a refurbished Falcon 9 is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the entire SpaceX team. Each successful launch is a cause for celebration, a moment of triumph that reflects the countless hours of work and effort that went into preparing the rocket for its mission. It's a reminder of what can be achieved when people work together towards a common goal, and a testament to the power of innovation and perseverance. SpaceX's reusable rocket program is changing the game, making space travel more affordable and sustainable. With each successful launch and landing, the company moves one step closer to its goal of making space travel as routine as air travel. This has the potential to revolutionize the space industry, opening up new opportunities for exploration and development. It's an exciting time for space travel, and SpaceX is leading the way, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and paving the way for a new era of space exploration. As we look to the future, the possibilities are endless. With SpaceX's reusable rocket program, we are entering a new era of space exploration, one where the stars are within our reach. It's a journey that requires hard work, dedication, and innovation. But the rewards are immeasurable. The sky is no longer the limit, and the future of space travel is brighter than ever.